Dun sa mga sinabi niya, actually, yun po yung next question ko po is 4-point line. But kasi may mga fans na nagsasabi na dapat daw mas i-address yung parity ng liga. Just your comments on the sentiments of the fans about that.
Kanino mo tinatanong? Sabi?
Sa board na lang po kasi kung nasagot mo na rin. So yung board naman po.
Ito muna.
Chairman po, si Chairman po.
Chairman ba? Well, kung you listen to what we were saying in this conference and how we have adjusted and how we put in the rules and how the teams have already with the unlimited height of people in the next imports in the next conference and the adjustment of two groups, it's sort of addressing being compared. Pero ibalik ko sa iyo, sino ba ang top 4 teams ng UAAP? At saka sino ba ang bottom teams ng UAAP? Meron din bang parity doon? Diba? So I'm just sending that back. In competition and in sports, I have 4 boxers in the Olympics. May parity ba doon? Pag pumunta ka doon, kalaban mo yung mga mayayaman na bansa who has more investment on training and technology. There is really no sports equalizes. It's not how rich you are or how poor you are. It equalizes. Kasi it's more than just your wanting to win and your ability to win. It's how you manage the team and how you want and your commitment to the team. So yun, totoo yun. We addressed that. The board was very open to it. Thus the change in rules, just the change in. Ngayon yung 4-point play. Nung in-introduce ba yung 3-point play? Yung 3 points? Meron ba nagreklamo doon? Ang dami, di ba? Ang dami nagreklamo. So the question, do you be a follower na wala magreklamo or do you want to lead the change? Di ba? So we were thinking only we're thinking of the PBA. But I tell you, when we are successful, maraming, I think this has been a discussion over the past few years by many other leagues. Maraming sasali. So, today we are alone. Tomorrow we will be plenty. Diba? So, that's what I'm saying. You cannot fix parity because it's very subjective. Boxing, pare. It's a very subjective sport. Diba? So, I can complain all I want na mali yung judging. And there will be 10 other people saying mali yung judging o tama yung judging. But at the end, okay, it is the team that you bring in, the team that goes out there. Right? So there is parity is a very big question. Sino nagja-judge ng parity? Who is judging a weak team and a strong team? Is UE a weak team? It's the best team they put together and it can win. UST 0 games not win. Is that a weak team? Maybe for that conference, the weak team. Baka this UAAP is going to be a strong team. So it's a very subjective point of view. No? So I don't know if I explained myself well. Is Talk and Text a weak team? Or a strong team? Ang sabi ninyo strong because your memory of Talk and Text, it has won championship. But today, is it a strong team today? No, it's going through a change, a rebuilding. Is San Miguel a strong team or a weak team? Today, narinig mo si Al Francis, sinasabi niya, it's also going through a transition. So it's very subjective. It's a very subjective concept. Now, you're saying parity because you question the trades. Diba? But who is questioning the trades? Experts? Non-experts? Owners of teams? Non-owners of teams? Diba? Hindi na lang namin pan. You're questioning the trade. Who is in a better position to know whether that is my requirement of my team or not a requirement? Maybe I'm looking long term, or maybe I'm looking short term, or maybe I want to win now, like some other teams that get. So it's very objective, but we appreciate that. We allow the discussion. We allow the discussion. Mali yung trade mo, unfair yung trade mo. But we allow that because it makes also us better. So yun ang tingin ko sa lahat na to. So that's where I am. So you want to add, Vice?
Yung ay tungkol sa parity, napag-usapan namin ni Commissioner yun, ay ni Chairman. Sinabi niya si UAP or NCAA, pikit mata alam natin kung sino yung malakas na team. Bakit? Alam niyo yun. Sigurado alam niyo yun, di ba? Yung mga magagaling na player na pupunta sa ganitong yan. And then now asking parity. You know, since way pa, wala pa ako sa PBA commentator, topic na yan eh. Totoo naman, ang tagal, si Mr. Talaw, di ba? Bata pa ako, nandiyan na yan, di ba? So, hindi, sinasabi ko lang, di ba? Si Aldrin, tahid na rin yan. Alam nila yan eh. Alam na nila yan. Yung mga kasama ngayon na sumusulat, mga apo na lang nila yan eh. Di ba? So, mga veterano na yan, kaka. So, ang akin lang, ay isa pang veterano rito, bata pa nung nag-umpisa, pero veterano na si Mr. Ramos. Di ba? Si Jerry Ramos. So, ang akin lang dito, di ba? How can we, sabi, parity, i-change? You cannot change that overnight. Sister team, di na sabi, alisin nyo na yan. Baka 4 na lang, 5 na lang matira sa PBA, paano na ba dyan, di ba? Pero akala lang nila, San Miguel and MVP group, natutuwa sa sister team. Di ba? Marami sa atin, isang team lang nga, nag-i-struggle na, 3 team pa hawakan mo. You know, we're, like my boss, Ramon S.R. is helping the league. Kaya 3. Sino bang ayaw na gustong alisin yan? Kasi mas makakatipid talaga siya. Siguro ganun din kay Boss MVP. Mas makakatipid. Di ba? Pero, di ba, 12 tayo masaya kaya gusto natin magdagdag. Gawin yung 25 to, baka mag-isa na lang kami. Kasi dami na, di ba? So hindi ganun kadali to convince somebody to join the PBA like one company to another that you're gonna ask them if they want to join. You know, hindi ganun kadali sa amin. So again, kami, I told the governors, I told this to Chairman Ricky, I told this to the Commissioner, ang daming bumabatikos sa PBA. Sabi ko, okay yun. Napapansin pa tayo. Pag hindi na tayo pinapansin, doon tayo matakot. Yun lang.